Thank you so much for coming and gracing us with your time, board chairman, board director, board Diskibet, media. Thank you for your time. Ngihamba nelibandla laka Diskibet, ngingu Thuthu Ngwakambingo Sibongo, and we are here to pave a way with the relationship with Diskibet, EFA, and HRFA. Sijabule kakhulu when we got this offer for this partnership, for this joint venture of a family unit, and we are very excited for le gifting lesinayo to HRFA. We are excited to see eMaswati celebrating football and sports the way that we all love it, and that's where we come involved as Diskibet team. We have pumped in 250,000 emalangeni. Yes, $250,000 for HRFA. Stabe si facilitator EMA trainings so that Lama teams, as per contract discusses, are able to get the training that they need for facilitating that everything happens well. So tabe nemidlalo leba khona ekugcineni kwalama registrations ikhona i-deadline lekhona, and yes, HRFA is going to facilitate the program yakhona, but we are very excited to just gift HRFA with this small token of comfort to them. Yes, so to register on Diskibet, very easy, very easy. Utsinga njena i-smartphone yakho leyine airtime noma i-data. Ungene lapha ka Google wakho and type Diskibet. It's one word. Le bhola lena ayihlukanisi leligama. Diskibet. Utawubona nje leyekucala letawufika lapha ku Google. Bese ufaka inombolo yakho yelicingo leyi connected to mobile money. So nangabe usebenzisa imali utofaka leya ka imali. Nangabe usebenzisa Instacash utofaka leya ka Instacash. Nangabe nguMomo MTN utawufaka le nombolo yaka Momo. Bese ke ufaka ligama nesibongo sakho, create password yakho khona labancane bangata ukhona kuwebela imali takho lototi wina naso udlalile ngayo lo Diskibet. Then from there awuku simple utawutfola i-OTP, i-authentication number from your from inombolo yakho lotoyifaka lapha. Ufake your date of birth, naso ufakile date of birth bese soyakhona kudlala ke indiza ikhona vele bayithanda kakhulu bantu indiza yethu. So I'm hoping to see nje nalapha ku system ukuthi inombolo tetindiza setiyanyuka konke nabo casino nangabe nifisile ukudlala, and mina ngisupport Liverpool, so siyibhejele nayo ukuthi manje itawuwina Nkosi yami le cup yakhona. Yes, you'll never walk alone. So ku simple nje kanjalo ukujoina ka Diskibet, and kumnanzi kakhulu usha imidlalo ka Diskibet, but play it safe. Bet on it, but bet on it safe. Thank you.